You need to log in as a radiologist. Select Modality Worklist or PACS. Select your patient from the worklist. Enter required demographics and tap Next. Select ethnicity or race. Select Brazilian for the community. If there is plaque present, select the segment of carotid artery. Otherwise, move on to the next field. Tap Import SR to get the measurements directly from your PACS, or enter them manually. The assessment will be created automatically and you can modify it if applicable. Tap Next to preview the report. To print a hard copy of the report, tap Share icon. Select your printer from the list. Adjust your settings as desired and tap Print. To send the final report to your PACS, tap Export icon and select Yes. Send to PACS. That's it. Now, you know how to create a CIMT report for a Brazilian patient.